In this video, I will be showing you how to make 10 positions on Bitcoin 5-minute time frame 6th of March 2023 based on price action. So let's get started. Before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. On the first position, we have a support line here with 2 touches, as you can see, where the price came to this level and went up. In the second time, it also touched this level and started going up. In the third time, we have the support line and the dodgy candle like this. On this, we can risk on it and go for buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 4, risk to reward 4. On the second position, we have actually 2 trend lines or a triangle, one from upside, the other one from downside. The one from downside is broken here. We enter the sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe like here or even here, and look for RR2 or risk to reward 2, which it gives us our reward here. On the third position, we have a trend line, which it was like this actually at the first look. We extend it a bit and it is broken here. We enter the buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 2.5 here. On the trade 4, we have a trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it is broken here, we can enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2. You can also see we have a resistance line here where the price was near that, and you could also enter sell position on that too. On the trade 5, we have this resistance line and we have this red candle. We can risk on it and go for, actually it's like this, we can risk on it and go for risk to reward 2, which it gives us our reward 2.5. On the trade 6, we have two trend lines, which it is also a triangle. The one from downside is broken here. As you can see, we can enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of 3 here. As you can see, we had a support line here too, which we could also close our position and go for a reverse trade. And we also had a trend line here, or a resistance line, whatever you call it, which is broken here. We can enter the buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 3.5. On the trade 8, we have a trend line, which it was like this at the first look with 3 touches. Here we can see we have a shadow. We extend it and it is broken here. We can enter the buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2 here. We could also enter a sell position on this small trend line too. On the trade 9, we have a trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it is broken here, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss above that candle, and it gives us a reward of 6. And you can also see our target can be this support line here too. And if you see some nice candles on it like this one here, you can go for reverse trades, for buy trades here. In this one, like this one, we can enter here, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2 here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.